Dad, just a quick one to see if I can show you how to do a few of the things that you are struggling with. So here's your email to me. So if I was detaching this, when you get to it, you should get two options. One is save to drive and one is download. You can do either one. So if I tried this save to drive option, it would be adding it to my drive, and it gives me an option to organize it. So press organize. It goes into my drive. Now yours will look subtly different, but similar. And you'll end up with something that says, this is my version of your folder. So Martin Hulbert, and then these. So I'd scroll down to get to Worksworth, double click, go to Team Spirit, there, double click, then go to September 2017, double click, and then press move here. So then this thing here, and it says it'll share it with the same people, which is me and you, so that's okay. So that document has now gone into that file. The other option would be to do a download, and then that takes you, if I press download, it brings it down here and actually has the file on your computer, and you can click on that and press open or show in folder. It'll show it where it is. So if it is show in folder, it will show me that it's in users CI1PXH, which is my username on this computer, and downloads, and here it is. And these are all the things I've done earlier with it, so you can see the kind of everything I've downloaded this morning is here. So they always go into this folder, and you'll be able to find out where this folder is. It'll probably be under this C drive users, Martin, and downloads. They're the two options. But either way, it'll end up in your Google folder. I've got a Google Drive little folder like this, so I can get back to where that is. If I go Team Spirit and then September 2017, I can then look and see that that document that I've just downloaded, it is there as a PDF. So now the question is, how do I make this into a JPEG? So the way to do this, I would start with the little Windows symbol at the bottom and open what you're wanting to read it with. And I've got this Adobe Acrobat DC. I think yours is similar, the one with this symbol. So if you open this, and then you could go File here, File, Open, and it's the same kind of thing. You're navigating now to get to where you are. So I'm in Team Spirit, and that's the document. Click on that and press Open, and then this is the thing that's been detached as a PDF. The next thing to do is now to save it as a picture file, because in Publisher it needs a picture file. So if I now do File and then Export to, and then here Image and then JPEG, it can then, so I could retitle this and put JPEG at the end of it. It's still in the same file, it's saving it as a JPEG, and press Save. I can then close that down, and if I looked in this folder here, it's got a JPEG there. So now you could go to Publisher, so I could go to Publisher. I mean, this could be open already, but if I go to Publisher, and then I could open the file I want. So again, if I, rather than do the shortcut, if I did open other publications, and then I said, today I've done this one, but I could go through the same thing and find it on the PC. So if I did it that way, my PC, in mine, Google Drive, Martin Hulbert, Worksworth, Team Spirit, September 17, and then I'm looking for this one. So if I did this one with photo, this is the one I've done for you, you might have found by now. Press open, and on page 18, if I go down here, if I double click on page 18, it'll open this up. This is the old one, so they've not changed it much, but they've changed the kind of the size of the things. So if I delete that one and I do File, so I want to do Insert, pictures, and then go again, navigate to there, so Google Drive here. You do a lot of this navigation. Team Spirit, September, and then here we are, JPEG, press insert, here it is. So then you can drag and drop it with this little mover symbol, and then you can say, well, I'll have it, you can decide whether you're going to put it parallel with one side or parallel with another. So you can just see that it highlights a little red line there, so that's parallel with that side. And then this one I can pull so that I want it parallel with this side, and a little red line comes up there when it's parallel there, and then that's in line. If I want to do it, I can move it up a fraction, decide how I want it, and then you could just do File, Save As, and then do that. So hopefully that shows you. I will now try and put this video in a place where you can get to it. Good luck.